Alright, yes, previously I showed you how to do the pencil, and we had the steps that we were using. So I decided to bring another video for those ones who didn't watch this video, so that we can buy the ideas from the first video, like the way you can see this one, so that you can combine it with this video and get the answer. So please, if you're still new on this channel, I would like you to make it a point by clicking on that red button, ring the bell, so that we keep learning together. Yes, we looked at this and I said it is very different from the yarn and these other cornrows that we have been doing. Yes, because for me I call it pencil, so I don't know in your country how you call this, but if you watch this video it is going to show you how different it is even when you're plating it. So please give me your time so that we can do this together, and I know you're going to learn something from this video.
Maurice, the crochet master.
Alright, yes, my name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I would like to welcome everyone who is watching me wherever you are. Yes, yes, I work at Hair by Clippers, and that is in Tinda Ministers Village. And yes, we thank you for your support, because we got another branch, and that is in Mbarara. It is at Kamkozi behind BAM petrol station, so you can always come and you get our service. Our salon is called Hair by Clippers, as you can see. Yes, as I've showed you on the previous video, that we are going to be seeing on how to do the pencil. Me, I call it pencil. I don't know in your country how you call this kind of cornrows. So as you can see, we are starting with the threads, but I know most of you guys know that threads break hair, and yet it is not like that. And I always say this, that I believe that all hairstyles can break hair, but it is just the way you do plait it. So please just look at this technique, and then you realize how you can always play around with a thread when you're starting these cornrows. And I think it can still do the same thing when we're doing these other cornrows, but you know why? It is because the pointing is always sharp and protective. And then something else I realized is that this cornrow, the pencil, can last longer than these other cornrows, according to how we do it, how we started, as you're going to be seeing this video step by step. So please, let's watch it until the end, and maybe we can learn something. For now, I'm gonna be signing out, but remember, my name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers. That is Clippers with Z. Yes, we have the main branch in Kampala City, that is in Tinda Ministers Village, and those ones who can those ones who need our services, we have the branch in Mbarara City at Kamkozi behind BAM petrol station, so you can always come and we give you the good service. So let me sign out. See you in the next video.
I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. 'Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, 'cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know It's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, a lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you. I don't wanna be like you.
jewels on the stool. Head wrapped silky, chewing on this oxtail. Scheming on a milli, tryna hit the yacht sale. Gold shining lobster near the Everglade music. When we drop, it's like you niggas never made music. Better days never came easy to a quitter. Ain't no pump faking, let them see that I deliver. God body, baby, big 7 in the skin. Probably why you never hear no better shit again. Higher than the spot that we bout to set the bar. Kush pack stankin', smell it before it left the jar. I just left the coast straight to another ocean. Niggas got excuses, me, I'm really having motion. Sipping on mimosa, chopping real estate game. 40 years later, niggas still the same lane. Just left the hood, niggas never heard of you. 30 long years, not a single word of you. Shop booming, baby, come and get it while it's open. I don't have time, I've been busy having motion. Just left the town, niggas ain't spoke to you. You a L7, probably serve dope to you. Shop still booming, come and get it while it's open. I don't have time, I've been really having motion. Boy, stop playing, this is not your lane. Never seen struggle, you do not know pain. Bitch, stop playing, would you be yourself? Fuck how they see you, how you see yourself. Niggas ain't real, acting real fictitious. Family on the west probably still hit switches. Playing Sally Cell, brought the thumper in the car. I been down in Austin, burning rubber down Lamar. Keep what you earn, put it back in the business. Gold mouth shorty spinning racks at the dentist. Fuck one stream, need a whole 7 ways.